So lately I've had a lot of people ask me to demonstrate how do you start a dirt bike. So today's video I will explain this in great detail in which you will understand. Okay. The first thing you want to do is make sure your gas is on. It's on. And if your bike is warmed up, as mine is, you do this. Okay, you do this. Then if you want to turn it off, you do this. One more time, you do this. Do this. Alright now, no excuse. Go ride.